Student, now we're going to solve that exercise 6.3 class 10 general maths. Question number 3. Diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel CD intersect each other at the point O. Using a similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC equal to OB by OD. Now let's have a look how to solve this one. Question number 3. Look student, the diagram is like this only, and the given part I have written from the main book. Diagonals AC and BD of the trapezium ABCD with AB parallel CD intersect each other at the point O. To prove OA by OC and OB by OD, we have to prove this one. So the given and to prove portion I have written from the main book. Now we will start the proof here. Look student, I have drawn one in a small diagram here in rough page. In triangle OAB, look here, in triangle OAB means this triangle OAB, and triangle OCD means this triangle. I repeat again, triangle OAB means this triangle, OCD means this triangle. Here angle OAB means this angle and angle OCD means this angle. I repeat again, angle OAB means this angle and angle OCD means this angle. These two are alternate interior angles. Okay, similarly angle OBA means this angle and angle ODC means this angle. These also alternate interior angles. Now why I am saying this, these two pairs of angles are alternate interior angles, as because look, in the given part, look here, it is mentioned already that AB parallel to CD, and if AB and CD parallel to each other, and if AC and BD are the transversal, so obviously this angle and this angle is alternate interior angles, and these are alternate interior angles. Now look how to solve this portion here. We'll write here proof. Now look student, first of all, in triangle OAB, we'll write here now in triangle OAB and triangle OCD, OAB and OCD. Here angle OAB equal to angle OAB equal to angle OCD. Look here now, again I am telling you, angle OAB equal to angle OCD. Why? The reason is, we'll write here now, alternate ALT dot means alternate, INT dot means interior angle, ANGLE, alternate interior angles. Reason, since AB parallel to CD, AC is the look here in the diagram, AC is the transversal, AC is the transversal. Look, this is the first one. Now in the second case, angle OBA, which means this angle, and ODC also this angle. So we'll write here now again that angle OBA, okay, I'm keeping here now. Look, angle OBA equal to angle ODC, this angle. Why? Same reason, alternate ALT dot means alternate interior, INT dot interior, alternate interior angle, alternate interior angle. Reason is that AB parallel to CD, but here BD is the transversal. So we'll write here now BD is the transversal. Now look student, after that I am removing this one now. Now look, just match with the diagram, angle OAB, this angle, and angle OCD, this angle. These two are alternate interior angles, AB parallel to CD and AC is the transversal. Okay, now next one, angle OBA and angle ODC. These two are alternate interior angles, AB parallel to CD and BD is the transversal. Now look after that. So according to angle criteria, we can say that these two triangles are similar. Now look, so student, we can write here that therefore triangle OAB similar triangle OCD. Reason is angle criteria. Now look, angle criteria. Now look one thing, student, I'm telling you again that if we want to prove the congruence, I repeat again, if we want to prove the congruence, which means this symbol, if you want to prove the congruence, then we need three specific reason, either side side side, or angle angle angle, or angle side angle, or side angle side, or RHS, if we want to prove that congruence. But if we want to prove the similarity, this is the symbol of similar. If we want to prove the similarity, any two reason, if we prove any two reasons, say only side side or angle angle, like angle angle or side side, can be okay for the similarity. But we can also prove the similarity with the help of three different angles or three different sides also. Does not mean that if we prove that angle angle only in case of similarity, it is wrong. No, it is correct actually. For the similarity we can prove at least two reasons, but for congruency we have to show at least three different reasons. I hope you understand that. Now look, after that, now look student, we need to prove that OA by OC and OB by OD. Now look how to prove this part. Since triangle OAB similar triangle OCD, so look here student, since triangle OAB similar triangle OCD, so we can write here that OA by OC, OA is the part of this triangle and OC is the part of this triangle. Again OB is the part of this triangle and OD is the part of this triangle. Now look, now we'll write here that therefore OA by OC and equal to OB by OD. Now what is the reason here? Now reason is, look, I am writing the reason here now. Corresponding sides of the similar triangle, corresponding sides of the similar triangles are proportional. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional, like this: OA by OC and OB by OD. Corresponding sides of similar triangles are proportional. In case of similarity, this condition is called the proportional. So hence proved. This is our question number 3 over.